This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Rick Carter. You must see this beautifully renovated, affordable home on a corner lot. New roof, kitchen counters, windows, floors, bathroom. All of that and a full basement for storage, a workshop, etc. 3 minutes to the Downtown Statesville Historic District, 4th Creek Brewing, Mitchell Community College, restaurants, and more. 3 minutes to I-77 and I-40. 45 minutes to uptown Charlotte.Complete with a sunroom for the person with a green thumb. For more information, review the details below.